Are you ready to transform your life in just 90 days? Yes, that's right. You can completely transform your life in just 90 days. That sounds unbelievable, right? We have all done that. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Kulkarni, co-founder of Arnagen Next Solutions. So if you don't believe that 90 days are enough to have an amazing transformation in your life, this video is for you. We know the power of healthy habits and how it can lead to amazing health. But we all struggle with getting into these healthy habits. We either exercise or we eat right or we do a single thing that does not really lead to overall gains. We need to do everything that leads to good health. What are these things and how do we get it done in just 90 days? The first important thing out of these 5 points is to make discipline your friend or your guiding star. It needs a lot of discipline, and when we have that kind of focus or determination to reach our health goals, we can be disciplined. If we have if we tell ourselves that yes, we can be disciplined, we are going to see this amazing transformation, we will be able to achieve it. So if you are able to befriend discipline, it is going to lead to amazing things in just 90 days. So why 90 days? But that brings me to the second point. 90 days, according to research, are enough to bring about a change in our brain. Or brain rewiring can be achieved when we do something consistently for 90 days or 3 months. While that seems like a very short period of time to see some significant gains, we have scientifically backed data for that. If you don't believe it, do try it out. The 90-day rule works in an amazing way. What is the third important thing to do here to make things work is mastering visualization. When we are able to see ourselves as our best version, our healthier version, our happier version, or whichever version that we would like to see, it is a lot easier to find the motivation, the discipline to keep doing all of these healthy things in a consistent, stepwise manner. We can actually chalk out all of our goals. We can see where we want to reach, where we have started. And this kind of a visualization actually helps us lead to this goal that we want to reach. So what is the fourth thing that we need to do here in this transformation? In this transformation, we really need to pay attention to our sleep, to our circadian rhythm. Whatever we need to do, whatever diet that we are following, whatever exercise that we are following also needs to fit into our body clock or circadian rhythm. That is going to lead to amazing transformations in health by paying attention to our body clock and by not doing things at weird hours. This is going to be very helpful in the long run. The fifth thing is that we should not underestimate the small wins that we are going to have. If we are able to add some exercise, some changes in our diet that are positive, and we are able to sleep on time and do all of these small things that lead to good health, they can collectively have a very big impact on our health. So do not underestimate these small things. Even going for a walk and completing 10,000 steps gives a very significant impact on our health. And if we add to that good nutrition, a good amount of sleep, some other exercise, some meditation, something for fun that we enjoy, hobbies, all of these things are going to have an amazing impact. This will lead to an incredible transformation in just 90 days. Don't believe me? Do try it out today. Start today on this 90-day amazing transformation journey. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel.